Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys basically how to use Spocket and also how to dropship products that are not from China. The benefits to this are a faster processing speed, faster shipping, and stuff like that, as well as this platform helps you find the right products. So product discovery is very, very strong. You could try the products yourself by ordering samples. Automatic processing, so you're able to sell with ease, faster deliveries, basically just because of the fact that the suppliers are based in the US or Europe, just so you don't have to wait for that delay that you would normally have from China just because it's so far away. Anyhow, let's get right into this and show you guys what to do. So you're just going to need to sign up right here for free. There's no credit card or anything required, so you can just go sign up for free and you will get a 14-day free trial. Once you're signed up, your homepage will just look like this. What you can do here is you can go to either search keywords right at the top right here, or you can go to categories. So what I'm going to do for myself, since I have a tech store, I'm just going to go to all categories and then go over to tech accessories. Once you're under tech accessories, it'll show you a ton of different stuff. It kind of looks similar to Oberlo with how that looks, but you'll see here it has the price in US dollars as well as the shipping price in US dollars. And it shows you the shipping time that it's expected to ship out with. Now, for example, if shipping is your utmost importance, it's the most important thing for you, you can go up to here and click on sort by and click on shipping time. So this will show you the smaller shipping times first. So like these ones right here, 1 to 3 days, 1 to 3 days. So these are all very, very fast shipping times, especially for drop shipping. Now, once you find stuff that you like, it's very similar to Oberlo in the sense that you can add it to your import list. So just like right here, it says add to import list. I can go ahead and add that. Now this is where it's going to show you that you have to sign up and then you will be able to start your free trial. So I haven't done that yet personally, but you can go ahead and click on try it for free, and then you'll be able to try it for free for 2 weeks without having to pay anything for it. But anyhow, that is basically how you use Spocket. Once you have the products onto your import list, you'll be able to edit it very similar to Oberlo and then add it to your page. But yeah, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If you guys are looking for more Shopify tutorials, I do have a playlist down in the description as well as in the comment section. But anyways, if this video helped you out and it showed you a new platform you weren't aware of before, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.